Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my happy planner from me and my big ideas. I love this planner because it's a big one. I use it as my main planner, as you may have seen in my previous video that I have a special system that I use to plan, and this is my main planner. So without further ado, this is how it was when I first bought it. I kind of love to see those videos when they do an unboxing, but I always wonder how does that planner look like 3 or 4 months into the year, and this is exactly what you're going to see in this video. So when I got the planner, I filmed this video, this part of the video, and then we're going to look at the planner how it is right now at this moment. So 4 months later, we're in the beginning of November, and you're gonna see a flip through right now. Okay, so let's start. This is something that I love to look at, but when I have to do myself, I'm kind of hesitant. I love to watch people decorate. I love to see flip throughs of their planner, but I always self-conscious when I have to do it myself, so I kind of haven't done it for 4 months, and right now you're gonna see those 4 months of a flip through. So I'm not really a big decorator, like a shock for myself, but that's really I kind of love to be very how do you say it, I kind of love, not really minimalistic, but I like my planner to be very functional. I love to use up the space that I have, and usually I'm not only planning in this planner, but I always do like memory keeping. You may have seen the receipts from I Love Mama Pizza, and this is from my vacation, and really this is just it. Like you see right now the process that's happening. I kind of use not so much tools to decorate my planner. I really love rub-ons because they kind of don't they aren't so bulky, they don't add bulk in the planner, and they also are very handy, and I love the look of them. They are a little bit glossy at the end, but that doesn't really bother me. Now what you see right now is me just selecting a few things that I want to attach, and previously I just marked places that I want to do like a little of like a header, and that's it. I'm gonna adhere the rub-ons, rub them on, and then I'm going to fill the spaces up. Okay, so right now I will be making a grocery list for my cycle. So there is a list of foods that can supercharge and balance your hormones, and this list comes from a book by Alisa Vitti, The Woman Code. She's a genius, in my humble opinion. And she explains how your cycle works. There are four stages in your cycle, and all those stages have special hormones that are active in that cycle, in that part of the cycle. And by eating those foods, you can supercharge and balance them, and not like aggravate and disbalance, what leads to mood swings and cravings and stuff like that. There's also like special exercise program, recommendations, and you have to discover her for yourself, but I really recommend that book for everyone and anyone who calls herself a woman, really. Okay, so right now I'm just filling in my routines, my cleaning routine, my son's routine, because he's staying at home this week for his school break, and my self-care routine. I hope I've inspired you with this video. I hope you can take something away from this video. Oh, and please comment below this video if you like me to do more of this kind of videos, like decorating my planner, or to explain more of my planning system, or if you want to have like more planning tips or tricks. All right, I think I babbled long enough in this video, and now I'm going to just go away. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love to hear from you, and I'll be seeing you next time in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.